guys, it's Asheli from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Bullymake box. So if you have a dog and it chews a lot, he or she chews a lot, not it, dog, it's got a gender. This box is intended for power chewers. Like this box, everything in here is, some of it is the Bullymake brand. They make amazing treats and toys that last. They do have I think a 7-day or 14-day money back guarantee. I'll put more information about that below. That if your dog does chew it apart, you can send it back or tell them and they'll replace it or refund you. I'm not sure. These are set up by the size. You tell them the size of your dog. They also will tailor boxes based on allergies, so that's really cool if your dog is sensitive. Beyond that, did I say the price? It's $39 a month. Beyond that, they have a little shop you can buy things in. And then beyond that, these boxes are themed. These are the most adorable boxes for dogs I think I've ever seen. This is their February box. Look, just when you open it, those two dogs, like they're gonna kiss. This is the February Bullymake box. Okay. So they have featured products. They don't put every product on their card, but just their featured products, and those are usually their own things they've made. All right, so our first is the Bullymake Lovely Lamb Bites, healthy dog treats. And I love, look, it's like for Valentine's Day, it's like little love with bones. Isn't that cute? And then we've got Quack Sticks. These are also Bullymake brand. Isn't this cool? Is it made with duck? Or is there like a... I don't usually... Now, you guys know I don't have a dog. I try not to open this stuff up. Because I do donate it and they won't take something that's open. But if I do have to open something just to see, because I'm a curious person and I like to take pictures, I will pass this on to somebody that I know that has a dog, or Nicole. Alright, so this does contain duck, pea starch, potato starch, gelatin, vegetable glycerin. They put all the like calorie content on here as all, and one treat per 15 pounds per day, like a serving size. So that's really cool. All right, then we've got one more treat. This is from Soda Pup. No, this is Bullymake. Grain-free carob dog treats for your love. Are they little hearts? They might be. Oh, I wish there was a little window so you could see inside. But look at the package, isn't that cute? I love it. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh. All right, then our treat. Look at this. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, this actually reminds me of. I'm gonna just say something. There was an album by Kanye West called 808s. It's one of my all-time favorite albums. It's the only one by him that I really like. 808s and Heartbreak, and like the front had like this like kind of it's a modern type of an art style, and a heart kind of like this. That's what it reminds me of. It does have the hole so you can put things in there, hide it for your dog to try to eat out of there. And it's super, by the way, super like. Can you hear that? This is some sturdy stuff. And our second toy, or chew toy, is a tough nylon chew, and it's in like a, it's made with US source nylon. It is like a little Smartie heart with X's and O's on it. Isn't that so cute? Oh my gosh, how adorable is that? I love it. So let's look at the card. The XOXO heart is $18. You can buy that probably on their Bullymake shop. They do sell those if you want to reorder them. I don't know if they open that up to non-subscribers or not. I'm sure they do though. Heartthrob, the little rubber ball, is $17. So the ribs give the toy additional strength and an interesting texture for your dog to chew on. The core gives the toy added functionality. The gear toy is made strictly in the USA from durable, natural American rubber. I think that they mixed that up. So that's that. Interesting. I do love, I love the themes. I think that this is really cute. If you have a dog, and they are a good chewer, but even if they it's just a fun subscription. Isn't it adorable? I love the themes. So if you're interested in the full review, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Bullymake with my affiliate link so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.